Hi everyone, here we've got a Realme C15 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all we have to open the settings, then let's scroll down and find Home Screen and Lock Screen magazine, and let's scroll down and find Set Wallpaper. So click on it, and as you can see you can choose from two options. You can choose static wallpapers or your own photos, but let me pick static wallpapers. And here we've got the system built-in wallpapers, and let me pick for example this one. If you are happy with it, simply click on Apply and click on Set As. Now you have to decide where you want to set it. You can set it as a lock screen wallpaper, as a home screen, or set as both. So let me pick Set as both. And after getting back to your homepage, as you can see, you've just changed the wallpaper in your Realme C15. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave it the thumbs up.